Now, William Lee and Carisha Peterkin were among the top performers at the third staging of the Portmore Missionary Prep Table Tennis Tournament held recently. More in this report.
Captured the under-13 boys category with a convincing 3-1 win over Michael Fletcher of Yorkcastle High. He also added the under-10 title with a 3-sets-to-love win against Jathniel Todd.
Some games are very challenging, otherwise some of them were very easy. I feel like most of the games are very challenging, and it was thrilling to be one of the youngest, and it felt good.
Carisha Peterkin also claimed a double as she won the girls' under-19 crown with a 3-sets-to-love win over Kayla Lewis, before also taking the under-21 title 3-1 against Christina Royce.
It wasn't hard, but it wasn't easy either, because at first I realized that I was doing really well, and then eventually she caught up on what I was doing and she adjusted, and I also tried to adjust. I adjusted in time, so it was good. It was a good game.
The Open final was won by Nigerian Adenehi Akendele, who prevailed 3-sets-to-love over Jamarcus Smith.
Going into the match, I knew it wasn't going to be easy because he's a very good player. So I had to play in a manner that wouldn't allow him to attack me so much, because he loves to attack, and I had to play against that to make sure that he doesn't attack me, like me taking the attack in the first time,
Principal of Portmore Missionary Prep and Infant School, Kadia Hilton Fraser, says the tournament has outgrown its current venue.
From under 9 all the way up to open, we even have prize money. It's really wonderful to see it, because there are not enough opportunities for table tennis to be played the way it needs to. Not only that, we have actually outgrown the space, and we are hoping that next year we are able to use a venue that's much bigger. One, we can have more matches happening simultaneously, and ultimately also invite other participants from other schools to participate.
Over 100 participants took part in the event.